Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to DevCode. In today's Flutter Widget of the day, we are going to talk about Cupertino Checkbox. Let's see how it works and go through each property step by step. Let's dive in. First, let's see the most basic example of how to use Cupertino Checkbox. The value property is a boolean that decides whether the checkbox is checked or unchecked. The onChange callback gets triggered when the user taps the checkbox. Here we use boolean variable and update its value using setState. When I click this checkbox, it's checked, and when I again click, it's unchecked. Active color control the color of the checkbox when it's selected. By default, it's blue, but you can change it to match your theme. You can also change the check color by using this property and provide any color here. You can use shape property to control the border design of the checkbox. You can make it round, rectangular, or even circle. Use this property try state to add null value here, and when I run my app, it displayed dash. Cupertino Checkbox is a lightweight iOS style checkbox in Flutter. It's great when you are building apps that follow Apple design. You can customize it using value, onChange, active color, and shape. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to DevCode, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more Flutter content. See you in the next video. Khuda Hafiz.